In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a website with 10web AI. Start by opening your browser and heading to 10web's website. On the homepage, choose Login if you already have an account, or Get Started if you're new. You can sign in with a Google account or use your email and a password. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to create a new site. Click Create Website, then select Recreate Website with AI. This tells 10web you want to clone an existing site's design. Next, paste the full website URL you want to clone. Be sure to include the complete address, including HTTPS for the most accurate results. When you're ready, click Recreate. The AI will analyze the site's layout, colors and fonts, pages and sections, and overall content structure so it can reproduce the design in a workable format. You may be asked a few quick questions to guide the build, like your business type, the primary goal of the website, and your style preferences. Pick the options that best match your project so the AI can tailor the result. Now give it a moment. The generation process usually takes about 1 to 3 minutes. When it's done, you'll have a WordPress site built with Elementor, including a homepage, inner pages, images, and the underlying structure you need to edit everything visually. Open the preview to review what the AI created. Look closely at the page layout, sections, text, and images, and how it behaves on mobile. It's normal to see placeholder text or generic images in spots. The goal is to capture the design and structure so you can quickly make it your own. To customize, click Edit with Elementor. From here, you can change text and images, swap out branding, add or remove sections, and update buttons and links. Everything is fully editable with drag and drop, so no coding is required. Be sure to replace content with your own for legal and SEO reasons. Rewrite copy in your brand voice, upload images you have rights to use, adjust your logo and color palette, and update contact details. Avoid copying copyrighted content without permission. When you're ready to go live, open hosting settings. You can use a free temporary domain for testing or connect a custom domain, which is recommended for production. You can connect a domain you own or purchase one during setup. Hosting is powered by Google Cloud for speed and reliability. Before publishing, check the mobile view. Optimize images for performance, update SEO titles and descriptions, and test forms and buttons. When everything looks good, click Publish and you're live.